Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove Steam streaming's outputs on Windows. So let's get started. First, go to your Windows search bar and type sound settings. Open it and scroll down until you find more sound settings. Now a pop-up window will appear. In the playback tab, find Steam streaming speaker. Right click on it and choose disable. This stops Steam audio from routing audio through virtual speakers. Now go to the recording tab and look for Steam streaming microphone. Again right click and choose disable. You have now removed Steam's virtual audio inputs too. When you're done with all of this, click on OK. And that's it. You have cleaned up your audio device list and avoid further sound conflicts. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.